I would upgrade my graphics card. These are the graphics cards I have bought. So I bought a 27 Super when I first got into PC gaming. And then I got myself a 3090 as soon as the second crypto crashes. And then I bought myself a 5080. So let's get into this. So I bought myself a 5080. This is rare. Time is filming, they're still not available in the general market, so good luck in finding one. I'll sell you one for 5 grand. Nah, I won't sell it. This is an ASUS. Is it an ASUS? ASUS Extreme 5081. So this is one with a water block. This is just a quick unboxing. So what do you get in your box? Ooh. So you get a manual. I think it's a manual. I did look at this because I did bought this on a retail eBay site. So yeah, quick guide. What does the guide say? Nothing fun. Okay, and a bunch of stickers. And my warranty. I will actually warranty this because I got 4 years. You get a wee zoom in, a wee tiny paste. We won't be needing that. You get this, whatever this is. Oh, you can put this on your case. I don't put stuff on my cases. That's okay. You get the 12 pin to 6 pin adapter. You need 12 volt. I think this is 12 on B2. So that's good. And then, that's what you get. Alright, and then you get the graphics card. Wow, it's heavy. In all its gloriousness. Yeah, it's quite a hefty card, which I like. It's quite weighty. What's the weight? Sorry, I'm going to get my weight. I think they generally... Okay, that's officially broken. I'll try to find the weight online. That's a shame. That's okay. I'll try to find the weight online. You'll see the weight here if I see it. If I don't see it. That's a shame. Oh, that can go... And all these things... I love YouTubing. So yeah, that's a quick dirty video of it. So, okay, that's okay. So that's it. Quick unbox of... You'll see in my next video of me installing this graphics card in my PC, which is going to be awesome. Oh, shall we get... I will leave the peels on to the last. So yeah, always got features wise, It's got 12 gigs, no, 16 gigs. 4 years worth of warranty. Yes, we need all these ports open. What are the features on the box? What does the back say? It's got 3 DP, I don't know, DP 2.1A and HDMI 2.1. Apparently this is AI voice and voice, built on live streaming. Nothing really interesting to say. I don't know why they put AI, because everything's going to AI. It used to be like, it's VR ready, it's gamer ready, and all this shenanigans. But it doesn't say any of that, which is annoying. Which is good, sorry, it's a really good day. You don't get much in your partial. That's okay. So, thanks for watching this quick video of unboxing this 5080, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.